if I try to shoot at him, then I hit you. See, there's that cop thing.
All right, Mr. Trujillo, here's your driver's license and the registration.
Thank you, sir.
All right. What's a good phone number for you, sir?
Why do you ask?
It's just one of the boxes to fill in on the citation.
You give me a citation?
Yes.
For
Give me
what?
a citation for the failure to stop at a stop sign.
How much is that for?
I don't know what the fine is exactly for the failure to stop at a stop sign.
But you're going to give me a ticket for not stopping enough at the stop sign?
Correct.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Arthurton, the San Marino County Sheriff's Department.
Thank you, sir. Okay. What did you want to know?
Okay, yeah, phone number for you.
No, thanks.
Okay.
But thanks for your concern.
All right. Sir, if you could just sign on the red box, not an admission of guilt, just a promise to appear in court.
I may not want to. I'll let me see. That's kind of, I don't know, not a very nice welcome. Do you want to go to this thing, or do you want to go back to New Mexico, Andy? What do you think?
I want to go back to New Mexico.
It'll probably save us a bunch of money. This is how they milk us. You come in town, you get you for a little 10 miles over the speed limit. Give us $150. It's too bad. Too much stuff dependent on this kind of exploitation. I don't know. So you're saying I promise to appear. Well, if I'm in New Mexico, I'm not going to promise to appear. So what's an alternative to this? What's an alternative to this?
The alternative is to pay the fine.
What is the fine?
He doesn't know the fine. So, okay.
How can we pay the fine if you don't know the fine?
No, they'll let us know. Don't be a smartass. So what I'm trying to find out here is we've got, this is saying that either I pay a fine whether or not I'm pleading guilty or not guilty, or, because if I go back to New Mexico, obviously I'm not going to appear in court, right?
Correct.
Is there a way for me to appear in court from New Mexico?
No. Are you refusing to sign the
Well,
ticket?
you can't. I can't sign. That would be perjury. Because if I say I'm going to come back from New Mexico to court, and I can't make it, then you guys can penalize me legally. That would be kind of unfair to me, I think.
Okay. So here's how this works. Is
Okay.
I give you a court date.
Yeah.
You can always go to the courthouse before then and see if you can get on calendar for the citation if you want to petition the citation, or you can go and you can pay the fine. But you have to sign that you promise to appear in court, or I can take you before a magistrate today. But that would require you.
Son, if you want to do that, I guess we can do it. You've already wasted enough of my time here. We can go all the way if you really want. I'm kind of annoyed with this whole process, but if you're saying,
21 or 20.
are you saying the only alternative I have? Are you saying that the only alternative? Sir, please, I'm not done asking you a question. Are you saying that the only alternative I have to basically paying money without getting a court reference is to sign a paper that says I will go to court? And if I don't go to court and I sign that, then what? What does that open me to in terms of liability?
Okay. What we're asking you to do is to sign the citation, which is your promise to appear in court, or...
Right, if I can't appear in court because I'm going to be in a different state,
okay,
obviously that would be kind of a perjury on my part. So if I can't sign that because I don't know that it will be true, you're saying my alternative is to come now I can go to court? Today with you?
Okay, so if you refuse to sign the citation...
No, I'm not refusing. I'm saying if I can't sign it because it would be perjury. It's not because I'm refusing anything. I'm saying that would be a lie. That would perjure me in court. I can't obviously perjure myself. It's against the law.
Yeah.
Right.
So...
Okay.
So all
so
that,
if I can't sign that, then my alternatives are what?
Okay, your alternatives are to pay the fine, or to appear before a magistrate.
Okay.
You have your court date, 12/21 of 2016.
That's in like 2 months.
Correct.
Right, so obviously I can't appear in 2 months if I'm from Santa Fe. You know that.
So you can always contact the courts.
And then what?
And see about getting a court adjusted or whatever you need to do.
How about you give me their number and I'll contact them and we'll work this out. That sounds good, because it seems like it's the courts that you're saying I need to talk to, not you.
Yes.
Okay.
When you sign the citation...
Can you give me a pen and we'll get this info?
Okay.
Obviously I can't sign the citation because it would be perjury. Yeah.
If you do not sign the
Mr.
citation...
Arthurton, yes.
If you do not sign the citation...
Yeah.
You go before a magistrate, which means you get put in handcuffs and in the backseat of my car, and we go.
Oh, you're gonna arrest me if I don't
If you don't sign the citation.
sign the
that's correct.
citation
Correct.
with a lie.
Correct.
Oh,
No,
good.
not
Thank you
with-
for letting me
not-
know. Thanks
not
for.
with
Well,
a
I'll
lie,
sign it.
Trujillo.
You said it had to be. I'm not going to be here in 2 months.
You're putting my. You're putting
You
words in
said
my
that this
mouth.
is putting a date for 2 months from now for me to come to court from Santa Fe, New Mexico,
Or
and
you
to sign to say I was going to come.
Or you pay the fine.
That doesn't say that. It says I'm going to show up in court is what I'm signing to. That's what this says.
Or you
right
pay
here.
the fine.
It says on the paper. It doesn't say pay the fine. It says
Okay.
show up in court, right? I'm just making sure that we're seeing the same paper. Indicating without guilt, I promise to appear at the time and place. So the only option it says on the paper is that I promise to appear at the time and place indicated on this, which is in 2 months.
Or
in California.
or you
I'm
pay
from
the
Santa
fine.
Fe, New Mexico. We're here visiting. So what
But you
ends up
ran a
happening
stop
is you
sign.
have to pay the money
you ran
and
a stop
admit
sign.
guilt. And I did perhaps,
admit-
according to this officer, run a stop sign. He is alleging that, and I'm accepting that that is his alleged, he's saying that he believes that. But what I want to make really clear here is you have to pay the money, basically,
Okay.
or they can throw you in the back of
Trujillo.
their car in
Trujillo.
handcuffs right now. He's about to do it.
I need you to sign the citation. Will you sign the citation?
Will you leave me alone if I sign that citation?
I'll give you the copy of your citation, and you'll be free to go and be on your way.
Okay. This once.
Okay.
Well, can I just hold the thing and sign it myself, please?
You want to sign it with your pen? I'm going to hold on to this, okay? You go ahead
You
and
want to
sign.
hold on? Why are
I'm
you
gonna
holding
hold
on
my,
to
my
it?
citation.
Your citation.
Yes. Oh. Thank you, sir. All right, here's a copy of your citation.
Thank you.
You'll be getting something in the mail as well.
Okay.
If you need to, you can go to sbcounty.gov and you can go into that website and give you more information about how to take care of the citation.
And
Do you
basically,
have any other questions for me, Mr. Trujillo?
how do I find out how much money this coercion
That'll
is going to
also
cost
be
me?
available online to you, okay? But give it about a week and a half or so, okay? Because they have to import it into the system.
Okay.
You have any other questions for me, Mr. Trujillo?
I don't. Thank you very much for your help this evening. I'm sorry we had to meet under such circumstances.
Hey,
Maybe
please
next
drive
time.
Safe. That's all that I care about is driving safe. Okay,
Yeah,
sir?
I think I drive pretty safely. Thank you for your
All right.
concern.
Be careful pulling on the roadway because you have the intersection right behind you, okay?
I get that.
All right,
Thank you.
Mr. Trujillo.
Mhm.
Bye.
Well, welcome to 29 Palms.
Yay!
Here, you can hold this. The attitude thing is not necessary.
I want to stay here for 2 more months.
We're not gonna.
Okay, good.
I'm just saying that's kind of what they're working. You got your seatbelt on and everything.
And
You can film those, police. So, stop sign ticket. Yay. That'll teach us. Now we turn on Adobe. Where we go? Keep just going.
I'll check.